En Papillote is a wet cooking method. It heats using convection, as the steam and hot air around the food transfers heat into the ingredients. The French term en papillote translates to in parchment. The food is put into a folded cartouche made from greaseproof paper. Steam from the ingredients is trapped in the pouch, aiding in the cooking process. The edge of the cartouche is brushed with egg white. When the egg white cooks, it helps to trap steam within the pouch. A small trivet of vegetables is placed on the cartouche. This removes direct contact with the hot tray in the oven and allows for more even heating. The main ingredient is then placed on the trivet. 1 or 2 tablespoons of flavoured liquid such as wine or stock is added to the pouch to add flavour and moisture. The pouch is then sealed by folding the cartouche over the vegetables and crimping the edge to seal it. The pouch is then placed in the oven at 160 to 170 degrees.